what it is, man. It's crazy shit. The ultimate in connectology. I'm a connectologist. Go plug that wire in, punk. Good Lord Almighty. Hey, man, look, I'm acting a fool. But that's that, fellas. Peace out. I'm going to be clipping this thing together. My battery died. Hey, look. I ain't advertising nothing. Take a look at this. I bought this for myself. Looky, looky. I make sure I got the good ass batteries. I'm not trying to mess around with them tiny little goofy ass ones, okay? Nice thick. Lasts forever. Right? Look. Boom, 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 right? Did this one got the bonus? No, it's in the house. Ain't that a bitch? The other one, you hit the button and it got a light on it. Flash, flash, flash. Or it'll just turn on and then